In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Foxit Reader. Whether you're needing a reliable PDF reader for viewing, editing, or managing your documents, Foxit Reader is a great tool. Let's dive right into the process of downloading and setting it up on your computer. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your favorite web browser. You might use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Here, type in Foxit Reader and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Next, what you're looking for is the official Foxit website. In most cases, this should be the first result you see. Look for a link that either is the first one or has the URL containing foxit.com. Go ahead and click on that link to open the official website. Once you've landed on the Foxit website, it's time to log in. If you already have an account with Foxit, you can go ahead and log in with your credentials. If not, you might need to take a moment to create a free account. The login is an essential step, as it not only grants you access to download the software, but might also offer you updates and notifications about new features. With the website open and logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. There, you'll see a tab labeled Products. Hover your mouse over this tab and a drop-down menu should appear. Click on View All Products from this drop-down menu to proceed. Now, you'll be brought to a page displaying a variety of Foxit's products. You need to scroll down until you find the section that mentions Foxit PDF Reader. Once you spot it, look for a button or link that says Download Now. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a download page. Here, you'll need to select your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux, make sure to choose the correct OS. Once you have selected your system, look for a button that says Free Download. Click this button to start downloading the installation file for Foxit Reader, and that's all there is to it. In just a few simple clicks, you've successfully downloaded Foxit Reader onto your device. Once the download is complete, remember to open the downloaded file to begin the installation process, following any on-screen instructions. Foxit Reader can then be used for all your PDF viewing and editing needs. Happy reading!